Hello guys, welcome back to Monet Loves Glam. I hope that you all are having a beautiful day. So in this video, I am going to take you along with me as I decorate my dining room table for the fall season. I uploaded this video a while ago, but I am just getting around to uploading this video. So I hope that you enjoy it. I will be sure to share with you every place that I found these items. So my fall dining tablescape theme is going to be silver with some cream color and a pop of this burgundy color. And I also wanted to create a pumpkin patch. So later in the video, you will see the pumpkin theme. So first, I am just getting started with my actual table setting. So I have the beautiful silver placemats from the bottom that came from Ross. Then I have the circular sequined placemats, which is from Home Goods. Then I have a silver and white plate that I picked up from a yard sale. I've talked about these plates in other videos. And then I have these beautiful silver and clear salad plates that I picked up from Home Goods. And I showed these plates in one of my decor haul videos. And then on top of that, I have these cute little crystal and silver pumpkins. They came in a pack of 6 from Home Goods. And then I just have the burgundy colored napkin just kind of rolled up in there on the side with a silver and a pearlesque napkin ring that I also picked up from Home Goods. And guys, I just want to mention I found this beautiful table runner at Home Goods. When I saw this table runner, like, it literally took my breath away. It is absolutely stunning. So I have a lot of items just grouped right here in the middle. So we'll start with this little flower ball that has these cute little rhinestones in it that came from Home Goods. And then one of that 6-pack of little baby pumpkins, I have just placed that right next to there. And then I have my salt and pepper shaker sitting right there in the middle. Now let's get to these cute little velvet and silver pumpkins. I picked these up from TJ Maxx, actually, the bigger ones here. And then if we keep moving right along, you'll see that I have another crystal pearlesque white pumpkin right there in the back that matches the little baby pumpkin that also came from Home Goods. I was so excited that I found so many different unique type pumpkins. So what I decided to do here, kind of in the middle, I have had this flower here for a very long time. I picked this up from Burlington a couple years ago, and I just relocated from different areas in my house to fit different themes of decor. I just love this white and glitter silver flower. I have not been able to find any more. Hopefully they'll have some more like this for the holiday season, because I really would like to get a couple more because they are just so pretty and you can just really do different things with them. So I have that little flower in the front and in the back side of the table. I took some greenery that I had and just kind of wrapped it around the bottom of this Hurricane Mercury glass vase that you all have seen in other decor hauls. And then I tried to match each side of the table, the front and the back. So there I have again the beautiful velvet and silver burgundy pumpkin with the pearl and silver pumpkin in the back. And then these glass silver mercury glass pumpkins, I have had these for a few years, and I think I probably picked them up at TJ Maxx or Home Goods or someplace like that. And then on the end, we have another one of those white, just little flower balls with the beautiful rhinestones in there. And there I'm just showing you a better view of this table runner. And I want to say this table runner maybe was $19.99 or $16.99. I thought it was a really good price, and definitely it is one of those items that will just give you joy for a long time to come. So as we're moving right around the table here, I am just going to go ahead and just kind of pan around a little bit so you can see how everything is looking all put together. I am so excited and happy on how my little pumpkin patch came out. I did not want to do the traditional like fall colors, orange and things like that. So I decided to do this cream and silver and burgundy. Now guys, look at this beautiful pumpkin sitting right here on top of this vase. I went into the store, and when I saw this pumpkin, I immediately snatched it up and put it in my cart. It is so pretty. So I decided to give my fall pumpkin patch tablescape a little height just by adding this pumpkin right here in the middle of this platter or vase or whatever you want to call it. So I put that right there, and I think that everything just turned out so well. I'm so excited in how it turned out, and now I have a pumpkin patch officially. So I will continue to collect these pumpkins throughout the years, and let's just see how much my pumpkin patch grows. And this is just a close-up of that pumpkin. I just love this pumpkin so much. It's just so much glam. It has the silver mercury glass, it has the pearls, it has the bling on top. And I want to say this pumpkin maybe was about $24.99 or $19.99. It was a lot less expensive than I thought it would be. So I'm just going back and giving you a full view of the table settings and how everything looks. Guys, leave me some comments down in the comment section of some things that you have done to create a fall tablescape. And I know a lot of people are starting to put Christmas decor up, but I will not be officially putting any Christmas decor up until probably the Saturday after Thanksgiving. That is normally our little family tradition where we like to start decorating for Christmas that weekend after Thanksgiving. And my themes for Christmas will probably be of course the Glam silver and golds and cream colors. I like really light colors. I don't know, I might decide on a pop of color because I really like how this pop of color of burgundy turned out. So guys, let me know some great pops of color for Christmas that will go with silver and white or cream and gold and things like that. Guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that this gave you some inspiration to set your fall tablescape. You still have time. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with all your family and friends. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.